I just found a new channel, and honestly, it is totally amazing. Can you believe this? The channel has only 94 videos, yet it already has millions of subscribers. Yes, millions! And here's the shocking part. The type of videos they are making are exactly the same type that I can also create. And the secret? They are using only Canva. Yes, you heard me right, bro. Only Canva. No extra tools, no complicated software, nothing else. Just Canva, Canva, and Canva. I know some people won't believe it, but I will prove it step by step. I will show you exactly how to make these animated videos using only Canva. Follow my steps, and you will see with your own eyes that it's possible. When you look at their channel, you'll see every video is pulling in millions of views. And the exciting part? You can do the same thing. This is an incredible moment because using just one free and simple tool like Canva, you can create 2D animated videos that go viral. Imagine uploading videos like these and waking up to see millions of views. Oh my God, that's exciting. I know most people will never tell you these tricks. They'll keep the secrets to themselves. But I am different. I always support new YouTubers and I want to help you grow fast. That's why I'm sharing this with you. With Canva, you don't need to spend money, you don't need expensive editors, and you don't need advanced skills. Everything is ready-made and all you need is the creativity to put it together. So stay with me. Follow my guide and I promise you, boom!
You'll learn how to create viral 2D animated videos using only Canva. Millions of views are waiting for you, my friend.
Now come into ChatGPT and let me show you how easy this is. Just take a screenshot of any channel where you see these types of animated videos. Paste it right here, and then simply type, "Please create this type of 2D animated video prompt and make sure all pictures look like 2D animation." That's it. Nothing complicated. And when you press enter, BAM! ChatGPT instantly creates an amazing animated video prompt for you. The style, the look, the characters, everything comes together perfectly. So why worry, my friend? This one simple prompt is enough to get you started. You don't need to stress. You don't need to overthink. ChatGPT is powerful enough to turn even your smallest idea into a professional, ready-to-use animation prompt. And today, I'm about to tell you something very exciting. Something totally new that most people don't even know yet. This is the secret that will change the way you create videos. With ChatGPT, you don't just get random text. You get a complete creative assistant that builds your vision step by step. Imagine this. You paste a screenshot, write a short line, press enter, and boom, your 2D animated video idea is ready to use. It feels like magic, but it's real. This trick can save you hours of work and give you exactly what you need for your YouTube channel. So stay with me, because what I'm about to reveal next will take your content creation to the next level. Bum! Now let's jump straight into Canva, the tool that's going to change everything for you. First, click on Create, and then choose the Landscape Video option. Why landscape? Because it's the perfect size for YouTube, and it gives you the best results when making professional videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to create 2D animated videos step by step. And trust me, this is going to be a total game changer for you. On the left-hand side of Canva, you'll see lots of tools, photos, text, elements, uploads, but today, we're going to focus only on the most powerful one, Magic Media. Once you're inside, click on Video. Now all you have to do is paste your prompt and press Generate. That's it. It only takes 1 to 2 minutes to process. And then, BAM! Your video is ready. The result looks completely like a 2D animated movie scene, and it's so smooth, colorful, and professional that you won't even believe you just made it with Canva. Now here's the trick. Drag your first video to the front. Paste another prompt, hit Generate again, and boom! It gives you another masterpiece. You can keep doing this again and again, building your entire animated story one scene at a time. So my question is, why would you spend big money on expensive websites or software when Canva Pro gives you everything you need? Canva Pro is not expensive at all, and the value you get is insane. With just one affordable tool, you can make professional 2D-style animated videos in minutes. Upload your prompts, generate your videos, and enjoy. That's it. Simple, easy, powerful. But wait, Canva doesn't stop at just visuals. It also provides background audio and music, totally free and 100% copyright free. That means you don't have to worry about YouTube copyright strikes, demonetization, or expensive sound packs. Everything is already there. High-quality background tracks that instantly upgrade your video and make it more engaging. Now let's talk about the most important part, the voice. Because every great animated video needs a strong voice to tell the story, and here's my secret trick. I go back into ChatGPT and type, "Provide me a summary." I want to create an AI voice. Make sure it's prompt-wise, no elements, no numbering, just clean paragraphs. When I hit enter, boom! ChatGPT instantly gives me a perfectly written, smooth, natural voiceover script. No need to write it yourself, no need to waste time. You get exactly what you need for your video narration. Once I have the script, I head over to Google and search for CapCut AI Voice. I click the official website, paste my script, and then choose a voice. And let me tell you, the voice options here are amazing. They sound so real, so natural that no one will even believe it's AI. No robotic tones, no fake vibe, just clean professional narration. I click generate, and within just a few seconds, boom! The AI voice is ready. Fast, easy, and so realistic. Now I simply download that voice file, drag it into Canva, and drop it under my video. And just like that, my video now has both 2D animation visuals and a professional AI voiceover. If I want, I can also add titles, text, transitions, and effects inside Canva to polish everything even more. And finally, I just click on Share, choose Full HD Download, and boom! My video is completely ready for uploading to YouTube. Think about it. In just a few steps, using free and simple tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and CapCut, you can create professional 2D animated videos with full voiceover and background music without spending thousands of dollars on paid software. This is the real secret, my friends. And I'm sharing it with you because I know most people will never tell you these tricks. But I want every new YouTuber to succeed, and I want you to know that you don't need money. You just need the right tools and the right workflow. So follow my steps. Stay consistent and believe me, boom! Your channel will grow, your views will explode, and your subscribers will keep increasing every single day. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful free AI tutorials.